Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's me, the CMG, and today we're doing a little something different. We're going to be taking a bunch of clips I took over the last month or so, and I'm just going to throw them all in this one video. I'm terribly sorry that I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks. Summer just started, and I'm extremely tired. You might tell by my voice. I sound very tired. But I hope you enjoy all these very funny clips. They're super fun to play and record. So I hope you enjoy. See you in the video.
Why did someone just message me in a Turno server?
Oh my god!
Oh crap!
That scared the crap out of me. Hey buddy.
Hey buddy.
Hey.
What am I stuck on?
Hell no. Bye bye.
Hey there, buddy. Wait, you're
You're alive? How?
I just died.
No, I don't think so. Oh my god. No. Out. Why don't we go have a nice look in here, okay? No. Ferb, I know where we're looking today!
Yeah!
I'm okay. Actually, guys, can you tell me, am I okay? Am I okay to go back?
Oh my god!
We need sirens outside.
Where's Logan?
What the fuck? Where did Logan go?
Oh my god, he already ran in. Okay!
I think he went in.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Hell!
Hey,
Did
Google.
you just lose?
Guys,
Hey,
I'm just like
Google.
that.
Is Edwin the CMG the true water expert?
Based on the information available, there isn't enough context to definitively say whether Edwin the CMG.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay, I might.
Are you serious, my brother?
Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
Hey, Google, what is the best website for Google?
What?
You're gonna do that with a child in your arms?
Logan, what do you have to say about this?
Okay, now I can do it.
Okay, alright, Epstein.
Logan, you listen here, and you listen very well. You send us to us very, very special moon. You hear me, boy?
How special?
Very special.
How special?
Sound like a pedo.
Look around.
Wooden crate. Dig out with shovel. What is this? It's a turret?
Yeah, Lige, all you gotta do is stay on top of it.
Oh,
What the frick? Why is bro zooming?
What? What?
Oh my god!
Logan!
Where did he just go?
Logan?
Is this thing deadly? Is this deadly?
No, it's not.
No.
Right on top of it.
Wait! What is this?
How did he fall for that? One monster on the way back, we're just dead, by the way, I just want you.
Man, shut the
Oh my god.
What?
Angry.
Oh my god, bro, no.
This game
Guys,
sucks.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god! No! Get down!
Wait, is he alive? Is he alive?
Hex, no, he's not alive! What? What the freak is that?
Huh?
What? Shower? Shower? Get your today? Huh?
What the
What? Oh my god!
I just gambled. Guess how much this item's worth right now?
How much is it?
200 value. Profit. What is it?
1,700.
That's bad.
On God. On God.
Yes.
Yeah, Liza, play chicken. Go in front of it.
Actually, yeah, I'm down. I'm down. Actually, yeah. We have to play chicken and Jade has to press the bell and whoever dies. Okay? We have to play chicken. No!
Oh my god! He didn't have me, big fella.
I'm not losing this. Let's play a game of 7. Let's play a game of 7, okay? Game
Alright.
of 7. Everyone, so I'll tap it once, then you'll tap it twice, and I'll tap it 3 times. You got it?
Yeah, go on.
Alright, here we go. Watch out now. Alright, we're playing game 7, Alright, ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh my god!
No, wait. I'm tapped out. Are we for real taking turns giving backgrounds? Yes. No, take it off.
Now, Logan, I got a little prize for you! Come on, get you forget it, come on! Bro, I didn't even get to see it, bro.
Where did they go?
The subtle question. Where did they go? 10 feet away is just a giant pile of blood.
Oh, let me explain what happened. You put the flute on the thing, and me and Elijah walked over to put our stuff on. We pressed the bell one single time, and he instantly killed us. One single time, bro. There was no hesitation. He killed us both immediately.
Oh my god.
It was so funny, bro.
Oh, so that's what that noise was.
Yes, yes.
We heard that rumble. I was like, oh, I hope no one died out there.
Yeah.
Bro, he was real annoyed by that tune. Don't manifest. Just let him cook. It actually was, and it was gonna kill us instantly, but
Oh, Elijah, I know. I think you know what that is. Wait, there's a bomb attached to that.
why did we just die?
There was a bear trap attached to the bomb and Elijah couldn't defuse it.
I bet you $100 he walks on the thing.
Oh,
Gets shot
shit.
immediately by the thing.
Yeah.
Please, please, I hope that happens.
No!
We predicted it.
Ellen, $100 for Logan! Logan! Oh, there's a madman! Oh, that's me, bro. There's a madman out there, bro!
He's out for blood. Let me get that grape.
Will it work?
And one more question for you.
Too bad. I guess he didn't like these grapes. What?
Oh. Man, I'm dead. Well, Elijah, you're a little bloody. What do you mean?
Don't worry, Logan, he's just playing Muddy Heights.
Stop playing Muddy Heights.
Oh, bloody me.
Why is the value of this
I just stood right here.
Jaden, he left his horn like he's doing Georgie from Paper Boat. Let it finish in the fire of the blood.
Hey, disconnected.
What is that thing? Just run, bro. Oh, bye, Logan.
He follows everywhere.
Fucking yo! Wrong way. Technically, I can never die to a bomb if I'm going this fast. That's right. You should run that way. Sir, it'd be really nice if you opened this door. Hey, Jaden. Oh my god! I swear to God, if I get close, this kills me. Alright, we chillin'. Do you want to just leave him?
My disappointment is immense.
Oh, you can touch that one though.
That's a good idea. Please kill him. Oh my god. Whose legs are those? Yes, sir.
Why is he horrible already? Now, can you explain why it's okay?
Well, the reason why it's okay, Logan, is because sometimes in life you just really gotta hit him with the. You guys really protecting that measly little thing right there? Get the freak out of the way, fellas! He died instantly! Oh my god!
I'm doing that one speed gif.
But like, he's gonna eat me. What's going on? Oh my god. Get finessed. Oh no. I couldn't show. Wait. Run for the hills! Well, nothing's saving me now.